This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the eBay app and tapping the camera icon in the search box so the scanner launches immediately. Once done, allow camera permission if prompted and choose the rear camera for better focus. Bring the barcode into frame, hold it steady about 6 to 12 inches away, and tilt slowly to remove glare. This fast start eliminates extra navigation and gets you straight to scanning so eBay can match items quickly. You now let the camera autofocus and, if needed, tap the barcode area to refocus. This improves recognition accuracy. When eBay auto captures or you press the shutter, watch for the matched product or suggested listings to appear because that match determines your next steps. If the match looks off, edit the title, category, or specifics before proceeding. Make sure to review condition and details. This avoids wrong listings and speeds up pricing and upload. You finish by selecting the correct match, adding additional photos, confirming condition, and setting price and shipping, then post or save the draft. If the barcode returns no results, manually type keywords from the product or use part numbers. This compensates for obscure SKUs. Troubleshooting tip. If scans fail, clean the barcode, try different angles or brighter, diffuse light, and ensure no reflections. These simple fixes often resolve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.